Hey guys, Trains Around Kent here, and I'm coming at you with another episode of Trains Out. You're getting 3 today. It's amazing. And today I'm filming at, what's the sign there? That's convenient. Redhill, based on the Brighton Main Line. Today we'll be seeing services by Great Western Railway, Southern, and Thameslink, and hopefully a freight as well, which we should be coming in soon. So about to pull in now is going to be a Great Western Railway service from Reading to Gatwick Airport on 1 Oscar 75. It's formed of one of their 165 Thames Express, I don't know what they're called, Express Sprinter services. It's in their GWR green as well. Sitting there is going to be a southern service heading to London Victoria from Reigate. It's formed of 377-431. So sitting there is 165117, which we caught earlier at Hawley. So pulling away there is going to be 377 something or other, which I've forgotten already, heading to London Victoria from Reigate. Calling at Merston, calls to South Purley, East Croydon, Clapham Junction and London Victoria. That one is formed of 377-431. And we'll catch what else arrives with departs. About to depart, it's going to be 165117 heading to Gatwick Airport on, where is it? 1 Oscar 75 165117. We'll see what else arrives or departs here at just Redhill. It's going to be the 1649 Thameslink service to Bedford from Gatwick Airport, running on 9 Romeo 92.
And Bedford. This train is formed of 12 coaches.
It's formed of a -1 set of
passengers for Norwood Junction should board the front 10 coaches. Change at Norwood Junction for services to Annerley, Penge West, Sydenham, Forest Hill, Honour Oak Park, Brockley and New Cross Gate.
It's formed of one of their Thameslink Class 700 Desiro City units. Formed of 700-141. Let's see what else arrives or departs here. There is going to be the 1648 southern service from London Victoria to Reigate, formed of dual pairing of their 377 Electrostar units. On the front it's going to be 377 something or other. Which divides here. Half of it goes to Gatwick Airport and half of it goes to Reigate. So on the front is 377-41, and I will catch the rear unit as it departs. Or I might not actually. Come on. The rear unit is 377-159, which is going to divide here and head to Gatwick Airport. And as the 1649 Southern Thameslink service to Bedford pulls away on 9 Romeo 92. Pulling away a minute early. The Thameslink service is early, that's scary. We'll see what else arrives or departs here at. Set of a railhead treatment train of 73s pulling in. I have no idea where they're from. It's probably from Horsham to Horsham or Tunbridge to Tunbridge, I'm not sure. But it's on one of them. Sort of repair of 73s, run by GBRF. Yeah. So on the front is 73128, and I won't get the rear unit, unfortunately. I'll catch it. So that is going to be the last clip I film of today. So, great film. I will have to come here again and do a proper, decent film. We've got a railhead treatment train, we've got my train set in there, and we've got another Lecky star sitting there. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.